Okay guys, I kind of like this office. I think I'm gonna redo mine. I have never been so excited about townhomes, production townhomes, as I am about these. I mean, right on St. John's River, over 400 miles of river, 6 miles wide, and just so peaceful and tranquil over here. I'm going to show you another model right next door where the master's the downstairs floor. Right now, Toll Brothers here in Rivertown, Florida, in St. Johns County, has some quick move-ins, and this beautiful, beautiful townhouse is under $1 million. Okay, now they have some starting at $749. So of course it doesn't have all the upgrades like this, but if you're interested in maybe being a snowbird and you just don't want all the upkeep, this is the place you want to live. By the way, I'm Gail DeMarco, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, if you could please go ahead and subscribe, or if you like the video, go ahead and tell me you like it. I'm going to take a walk along the river so you can see why this is such a peaceful, like enchanted forest type of feel. Okay, and my phone number is 904-640-8000, and I am wearing a sweater, and it's 68 degrees, and it's in December, so I thought it was going to be cool because I still have that California mindset. But guess what? The weather here is absolutely amazing. They have other homes in this community starting at $450,000. So the way the Shores is by Toll Brothers, it's right off of Highway 13, and I'll show you the entrance in this video. So we're part of Rivertown where you get to use all the amenities, but you're not in Rivertown, so you have that seclusion. It's just a super great feeling. If anybody knows the Toll Brothers product, they have the best production homes on the market today. So you can really have it your way with Toll Brothers. I've sold a ton of Toll Brothers homes. As a matter of fact, I got awards 2 years in a row for selling the most amount of Toll Brothers homes in California. And the reason I do that is because I'm passionate about their product. When my clients are on their third Toll Brothers house, it kind of says something, right? It says a lot. I don't have that with a lot of the other production builders. Anyway, let's go look at the next one. So if you want any more information about the Toll Brothers at the Shores, where I can get you a better deal than you can get walking in by yourself, go ahead and give me a call. And my contact information is below. Hope you enjoyed this.
Let's check that again.
So God, I love my job. I just want to say that because I haven't really been feeling that great. I have this rotten cold like everybody gets. And my buyer from California that was out 2 weeks ago said, you know what, I really want you to find me a place that I can have a view of the river and I can not worry about upkeeping. So I thought, well, you know what, the shores. Up until Toll Brothers built this community, that wasn't even an option here, right? You had to spend millions of dollars to buy a beautiful home, you know, with a view of the river. But now you can have this view under $800,000. I would really love to have you come out because I'll tell you what, I feel so refreshed. I feel like, man, I just want to chill back and play one of those guitars. I love this kind of a room. It's a zen feeling, a place to escape. So if you want to learn more about Toll Brothers here in Rivertown at the shores, go ahead and please, give me a call and I will be happy to go into any of the quick move-ins, take a quick video for you because they get great, great deals and incentives if you get a quick move-in. Now keep in mind, not every townhome has a view. But if you act now, you just may be one of those lucky ones to be able to get this. And I'll tell you what, when this model comes for sale, I'm gonna throw my hat in the ring because I love it here. If you're gonna be one of those snowbirds, this is the perfect situation. Or if you just want to live here full time, if you're just a professional and you don't wanna have a ton of kids around you, this is a great option. Master bedroom is downstairs. It's called the Macaw Coastal. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, do me a solid and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you have any comments, I'd love to hear those too. Even if they're negative, come on, let's engage. Have a great one, 904-640-8000.